Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everybody. Here with me, Nardiati, a teacher from Unia High School of Wirabuana. In here, I want to tell you about narrative text. Narrative text is a story that tell about something that to entertain the readers. In narrative text, there are many kinds. There is fable, parable, or legend. In legend, it is told about the story of place that connecting with the people. In fable, is talk about a heroes from some place in or around the world, like what we call it from Sumatra or Padang. What we call it? It is the story from, I forget it, the title. What is it? Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang is from West Sumatra. It talks about someone or a man that ignoring her parents when he is rich. After that, there is a story from the others. It is what we call it from West Java, Tangkuban Perahu. Tangkuban Perahu is tell about Sang Kuryang. Sang Kuryang with her mother fall in love, but her mother refused it because her mother realized that he is his mother. In narrative text, there is generic structure. First is orientation. It is introduce or tell about the part of someone from that place. And then complication, tell about what happened in the story. There are many kinds, maybe sad or happy or any other, or fighting each other. Like in parable, it talk about the animal can talk and struggle for what we call it, struggle for hunting something of food. And then reorientation. Reorientation is the end of the story. It talk about what happened in the last. It will be happy to the character or no. And then component of narrative text, the purpose is to amuse or entertain the readers through a story. The tense or the sentences by using the second verb. Like if we said the first is go and the second is went. Play and played, walk, work, and then think, thought, buy, bought, and many others. After that, key element, the character is setting the plot or the term or the complication. Okay, here is the kind of narrative text that I have said to you. There is many kind. The example is fable or parable, legend, and then very and many others. Okay, here is the example about fable. The story of fable is the animal can talk each other and tell about the heroes or something arguing each other to take food or area. And then in here like Toba, the legend from Sumatra or what we call it Medan, yeah. It is story about the lake happen. Okay, I think enough for this lesson today. Now I want you to write about Malin Kundang story. What is that? And then what are the characters? Besides that, you write it about fable. Write it in group of words and collect it after 3 days. Okay? I think enough for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Itulah setiap karakter individu.